Hello, welcome to my channel. My today's topic: how to reset WordPress admin password on localhost. Let's say we are running a WordPress on localhost. In case I have already forgot about the password, so how can I uh, reset the password? Okay, I have. This is the website, and that site is live in localhost, and my site name is my demo site. Okay, this is the website. Let's say I'm simply log out, and once again I will try to log in by using the wrong password. Simply, if I will put the proper username and password, then I can properly access the website. Okay, now I'm properly getting access to the website. Okay, next what I will simply I'll log out, and once again I'll put the wrong password. So in case I have already forgot about the password, so it's asking the password you enter, the username and the password is incorrect. That means it is asking you just reset the password. So in this case what I will do, the file name, and I'll check what is the database name. The database name is my demo site. Okay, this is my database name. Okay, so hit on simply hit on the my database name. In my case my database name is my demo site. Okay, after that, and we'll click on WP user. Okay, here I'm simply click on the edit option. Here I will change the password under null value. Here is the value. Let's say I'm just putting any value. Here was the previous password, my password 123, and my new password, my pass 420. Okay, let's say I'm just copy the password and paste it here. Okay, this is the value under value section. I just put the new password, and under the function section simply I will change the MD5. Okay, then we'll hit on go. So my new username is new password is this one. Okay, I will visit once again. I just refresh the page. Okay, and this is the username, and for password section I will put the new password. Okay, I'll hit on the login. Now I'm getting access. Okay, this is the dashboard. Thank you.